Hi, so I just downloaded all these characters from Mixamo, and this is the character which I'm going to import inside the Unreal Engine. So now go to back here in the Unreal Engine 5.4, which is newly recently released this version. So now just go to the games, and here you will see the third person character, right? Few things you will see new inside this third person thing. Okay, now just go to back here, and I say TPS underscore uh, adding weapons. So the weapons. Okay, now just I've created. So yeah, let's start. Yes. So the first thing is we need to set our UI, which is user interface, right? So say UE4 classic layout. Now I can see everything is here, right? And first thing is we need to add the character. So I'll create a new folder and I'll say the characters and animation. Do double click and get the character first, which I've just downloaded from this. Go to in the download section. Where is that? Yeah, in the download we will see all these characters have come. So first we will add this character, right? Unnamed, forward, jump, unarmed, run, idle. This is the character, Pumpkin Hulk. Okay, so now import, and here you do not have to set anything. Okay, such a import. Now you can see all the textures is ready and material also is ready, but few things we will do inside the, we will do change inside the material editor. Before that we will add first the animation. So select all the animations together now, say open, and here again uh, this is the skeleton, right? And one more thing which is we have to see exported animation, which is here, see, exported time. Now just import, right? And first thing is we need have to say the save all. So all the characters are inside this folder. Go back to here, and now check alt and P. This is the character, right? But here we will replace our character. So I'll create a new folder, and folder name will be bp underscore replace. Okay, do double click. First thing we will create the animation blueprint, and before that we'll do the plane space, right? So inside the plane space, first we will select the Pumpkin Hulk and say bs underscore pumpkin. Okay, do double click, and now here you will see all the animations together. And first we will say speed here, and we will keep the time, which will be 400. I'm just keeping. Okay, so you can see 400 frames here, and this is the plane space, and keep this idle here. And second one will be the jump, no, run forward. Okay, so actually mistake was done in the downloading part. So it is moving towards this character, which is displays character. So I'll just delete. Okay, so I'll delete there, but this is the in place one. This is the in place animation. Drag and drop, and hold control and check the animation whether it is good. Yes. Okay, so now it is done. Go to here and close it. So blend space we created. Now again another thing is the blueprint animation which is here, right? Inside that also we have to select the pumpkin character which was our main character, right? So here I'm just keeping bp underscore pumpkin character underscore, right? Do double click, and inside that we will create the state machines. Say state machine, and here I'll say pumpkin animation. Okay, and first thing we will drag it to this. We will have to connect so that it will directly animate all this, animation which will include inside this. So do double click inside this state machine, and here again we will create the state machine. Right here say idle and run. So these two animation we will include inside this. Do double click and go inside, and again we will add the bs blend space which we have created previously. So say bs underscore pumpkin blend space, right? And connect with this. Okay, so here inside this you will see event graph, and this is the state machine. So inside event graph again you will see these two types of event functions. So first I'll create here vector length get get velocity and vector length we will create. Okay, and here I've created this get velocity, right? Where velocity node, and we will have to add this vector length also, vector length. Now we will create again this as a variable. So just connect and say promote to variable, right? And I'll say the name which will be speed. Yeah, and connect with this, right? So we have created this two things, and this speed variable we will add here. Sorry, again go to back in the state machine, and you will see the variable here. Get it here and connect with this. Yes, say connect. Now you will see the animation which is here. Okay, and inside this again we will have to create this run animation. Okay, so go to in the third person. First we will replace, and we will check whether our character is working or not. So just save it first, go to back inside that third person, blueprint character, and here we will replace our character. Now select the character which is this. Inside the mesh option you will see the pumpkin character. Now also we have created the blueprint class which was pumpkin character. Now you will see everything is done, and say alt and P to play the movie which is here. See, yes, character is running and everything is replaced except jump. Okay, so for the jump also we will do few commands here. Go back to here in the state machine. I'll create a new state again. Okay, and this state will be for the jump, right? So sorry, do double click. Done. Do double click, and inside that we will add again the jump and connect with this, because inside this we will create the jump, and again bring this node to this idle node. Right here you will see the transitions. Do double click, and here I'll create again this variable. So before that we have to go with a different node which we have to create here. That will be different variable, like similar as the speed for the jump we have to create. So here I'll say a movement uh, component, get movement component, right? And is in air, so is falling, we have to say. Inside that we will add again the variable, and I say is in air. Okay, and connect with this. So now we have additional variable. Now go back to here, say compile first. Before compile means here we have to add. So this this variable is here, and connect with this. So if it is going in the up, so there will be no other nodes here. Go back to here, and this is going directly to jump if it is in air then. And here we will add additional condition which we have to add, that is boolean, not boolean, because here we are saying in the this character is not in the air, so here we will apply this not boolean. Okay, just go to back and check. So I think our jump also is working here, see. Yes. Okay, so now I think we done this part, and we will have to add a few things which is asset. So we'll go with asset thing. Go to in the quick cell please. There you will see lots of assets. So I'll add this X. Okay, so I think I'm good with this. I'll just add this first. They say login. So just I logged in, and we have to download first, right, this asset. Okay, and yes, now done. So add this asset inside your this. Okay, so I can see the double-sided X, double-headed X. Go back to here, and in the back we will create new blueprint, which is this blueprint class, and I'll say the actor, right? So actor means here we will add the X. Double-headed, if you want to mention the name you can just to double click, and first thing we will add the static mesh, and I say X. Inside this we will select the X. Now done. And you want to increase, decrease the size directly, you can do from here also, or inside that socket part we will do that there also. So go to here, back. This is the pumpkin character which we done. So in the BS section, BS means blend space, to double click, and here you will see the skeleton tree, right? So in the right hand, just do type here right hand. So here you can see this is the hand. Here we will add the X, right? So do right click and say add socket, right? In this socket you want to change the name of it. Also you can add X socket. Okay, say select all, because here name I'm just copying it. Okay, just copy it and go back to here, and inside that again we will add the X part. So add the preview asset which is here. Inside that you will see this. Yes, and actually maintain the camera speed so that we will go inside this, right? Yes, this character actually we have to select from this again. this is the X, right? Okay. Okay, scale it, it will look better. Okay, yes. So we have added this. Go to back here, just say save and close it because we done the adding part. And the thing is, inside the third person character, we have to add a few blueprints or few commands here. So I'll just use the keys. So for the key, like I want to go with the F keyword, right? F. This is the key, right? And here we will add actor from class, right? And from here we will call this X. And again we have to target the transformation. So get socket transformation, which is this mesh, right? So this mesh, actually this mesh is going to act with this socket mesh. So if it is not satisfying with you, so directly you can drag and drop and you can connect like this also, uh, like this. And which we have copied the name, so that name was this control plus V X socket, right? So now we done. Okay, and here we will not do anything. So here attach actor to component, right? Attach actor to component, right? And here also we have to give the target, which is mesh. So connect with this, and few things we have to do here, which is snap to target, snap to target, snap to target. Done. Go back to here, say compile, and just I want to check whether our character is getting the X or not. So say it is not in the same position. Go to back here, and we haven't mentioned the name yet. So say control plus V. Yes. Say compile, and it is done. See, if your character will move, then X also will move like this. Okay, and one more thing we have to do, which is flip flop node. And like I want to switch again this to here again. I will have to say this flip and flop node we have to use, right? So here this, in this node, or directly I can take from here also, say detach from actor, right? And connect with this. Okay, nothing you have to do. Say go back to here, check this, and say F F F F F. Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm just going to show you the flying mechanism in Unreal Engine 5.4. In this video we will see the flying mechanism, how our character will fly. So in the previous video I explained how we can convert or how we can give the transformation to different characters like this. So this we did in the previous session. So if you haven't seen this video, just go back and watch this video till the end, then you will understand few blueprints, okay, here to connect. So go back to here, just I'm closing this. And the first thing is we have to make some input action here. So for that we'll have to go inside the third person character, and here you will see inputs. So inside the input action, here you will see input action, right? Look, move, anything. like any other action you want to create, then you have to do right click over here, then you will see option input, right? Under input action you can create. But if you are doing like this, if you are creating the duplicate like this way also, you can create an input action again. So here I'm just saying up, underscore, and down, up and down, right? So like you want to write anything, you can mention, so no problem at all. And if you want to change something, then you can, but by default you will duplicate it, then you will see axis 2D vector 2D, or if you are taking a new action, then that time you have to take this only. Okay, so go back to here and just save it, right? And inside the input you will see input mechanism here, mapping context, input mapping context. To double click here, then you will see mappings, right? So inside this mapping means those three mappings are here, and one more we have created, so that mapping we have to add here, input mapping. So just click and get that which we have created, so just get it here, right? Inside this few things we have to create, which is the keys, right? So from here we have to map the keys, like here I want to add x value, x coordination, right? And one more we have to create, and from here we will say create like this. And if we have added here x, then I'm just going to say z, or like you can press here z, here I'll keep z, and here I want to add the x. Okay, so these two keys we have added here, and inside the modifier here we have to do one more thing. Inside that we have to add some modifier like this way, and here say negate. Okay, so this is the negative negate. Okay, inside just this we have added, and say save and close it. So we have completed these options, how we can create input action, we understood. Now go back to in the third person character, and in the blueprint you will see the third person blueprint system, right? So here we can like convert into a single node. So I say collapse node, and then here we will mention the dragon underscore CHTR, right? And this will be, right, this is the main character, and this one is the dragon node, right? So just get it here like this. Again save it or just compile it, and here we have added that input action. So that input action we will add here, underscore, sorry, IA underscore up and down. So this we have added here, right? And this is the trait, and here actually we have to use the branch node, and in this branch we will add this character, right? Character movement we want to add with this. So if our character is flying, right, so here we have to say the fly is character fly, because this is the conditions, right? So just get it here and connect with this, right? And here just get it this, add movement input, right? Inside the movement input means actually from here we are going to say the direction, from which direction you want to move your character. So just I want to say in the Z, right? This will be in the Z, and from here if you see this is the action values, do right click and say split, right? So X along with X we will connect like this. So this is done, the one part, right? And here we will add some different commands. So for that command actually we will use X and Y value along with the mouse left click, right? So do right click here. We have to add the left mouse command, right? Left mouse button, and here also we will use the command, and that will be the first branch node. Okay, and in this branch we will add this. Actually, see, our character, when our character is going to fly, so for that purpose we will have to add some variables here. So the variable will be is flying. This flying I'm just going to add, right? So this will be the get node, and connect with this, right? Okay, and this flying statement, actually this node again we have to add within this, right? So do double click, and within this just say set node, and here we will have to keep false, right? And go back to here in this character node, right? Here we have to say the true. So again use the same command here, drag and drop, yes, and just say enable, right? So these two things we have to do, and go back to here, and now the thing is we have to say the set movement, right, mode for the character. So this character is going to fly, so here just say fly, right? Say compile. Now just I want to check whether our character is moving or flying or not. So this is the way where I've just created. Go back to here in the node, and say alt and P, right? So when our character will transform into the bird, right, like this, and then our character should fly, right? So I'm just going to press the X command and left button. See, now character is flying. Okay, if I press X, then it's going to again back to down like this, and you want to fly anywhere like this. See, so the character is flying like this, and yes, going up and down also. So just I want to see this. Okay, just scale it. Okay, now say alt and P. Okay, and say again, like character is moving like this, right? And if I want to add the X, which is this hammer, okay, so our character is going to move when I just say walk, right? So the character is moving like this, but here if you want to fly the camera according to this character, so nothing happens. See, if I press X, Z, whatever X and Z, so our character is not flying. But when our character is going to transform, and if you say fly, then it will walk like this. But the problem is what? See, my character is also like walking in the sky. So this is not the right process, right? So here I want to do, or I want to set character should walk, but in the ground. So when our character will transform into again the human character or the character, then it should come back in the ground and should walk. So go back to here, and inside this means this is the dragon, right? This is the character. So here just I want to say, I think this is the mesh, this is the dragon. So here I can see the mesh means our character is moving. So here we have to set movement, right? So inside this just add walking. Now compile it, go back to here and check. So now just transform into the dragon, just click and Z. Now character is flying. Yes. So now automatically my character will walk, and if I say jump, say it is going to jump in the ground directly. So it will work. So I hope you understood how I did this.